Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see by the title, this video will be sponsored by UNice Hair. UNice went ahead and sent me this gorgeous bob unit. It is a V-part. As you can see, I have a leave out right now. So it is their V-part unit, 150 density, 14 inches, and voila. It's really nice and it fits very much snug to my head. It doesn't give helmet. I didn't have to adjust the bands in the back to tighten, so that was just even better. I just slapped this unit on straight out the bag because it comes pre-disinfected, so you don't need to do too much when putting this unit on. They make it super easy because this unit is just like overall one of the quickest units to put on. I installed this whole thing and styled it in less than 10 minutes. So if you'd like to see how I did it, just keep on watching. The links for this wig will be in the description box below, and let's jump into today's video. Okay mamas, so this is the final look. This wig is from UNice Hair, and they decided to send me this V-part unit, 14 inches, 150 density, and as you can see, it was a bob. I did go ahead and just snip the ends just a tad so that everything in the back when pulled to the front is all even. Everything is just on one level, but so far so good. I'm not doing baby hairs with V parts or U parts. I don't really love to do that, especially on my relaxed hair. I would just rather a clean middle part, and that is exactly what I got. I did go ahead and snip the V just a bit more so that I could have a longer parting space, and that is something I love. They give you some I guess the little lace that's in the top, the net, they give you some net allowance so you can slit it and have your parts as long or short as possible. You can always sew it back up if you want to do that. So I love that. I love that long part look for a middle part. I don't like short middle parts. That's just not the move. But so far so good. I love the quality of the hair. It feels really nice and soft, very much butter. I took it straight out the pack because the hair is disinfected before you even get it, so there's no need to wash these units unless you need to or unless you want to. It's not necessary at all. So I'm loving this unit from UNice. They did such a good job with the construction. The cap is really nice and fits very well on my head. It's not giving helmet. It's really nice and flat. Like, we're giving the bob that we want to give right now, so that is just also good. Everything is great. So if you would like to purchase, which I would highly recommend because I'm talking really relaxed right now, UNice has good hair, always good quality. As you can see, we love how nice and flowy it is. That's how you bob, okay? This is how you bob. You bob with a UNice bob, and it's already there. It's super easy. You don't have to do too much cutting into it. The links will be in the description box for you to purchase this amazing unit if you would like to. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and thank you to UNice for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.